There's something really powerful and amazing that I want to send to you for free. And I'm going to share with you a strategy on probably one of the most powerful side hustle opportunities right now. Maybe ones that you have never heard of, or maybe ones that you've kind of heard of, but you don't know really how to get into it, how to make money with it. And so I call it the world of the writerpreneur. In fact, I wrote this brand new book. It's hot off the press. In fact, I'd like to send it to you for free. If you want to go down below, you can get an idea of exactly how to get this for free. I do charge a very minimal $10 shipping and handling cost because printing has gone way up. Shipping obviously is not cheap. So I just need to cover that. But I still lose money on these packages, by the way. But it's because I am a true believer in this probably being one of the most profitable side hustles on the planet. So what is a writerpreneur? Well, there's 3 ways to make money as a writerpreneur. Option 1, this is probably the most profitable of all 3. So let's just get that one in the hopper, if you will, because it's the one that I'm most excited about. And that is using what I call my cascading system of using a myriad of 3 to 4 AI-based platforms. Some of them are actually free to be able to generate and kick out some really good, profitable fiction books. And you can publish these on Amazon Kindle. Now, if you actually did some research to find out exactly how much some of these Kindle authors are making as self-published authors, you would be shocked. Some of them are making tens of thousands of dollars per month just for one book. Some of them are actually making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month in profits as Amazon Kindle book writers / publishers. Now, a lot of them don't even write the books. They use AI, but they know how to use AI. We're not talking ChatGPT because that technically doesn't really work to write a book. It's maybe useful to write like a brief outline, but ChatGPT is not what you should be using to write any book. You should be using different software platforms, and they have to be in a specific process or order, and it's what I call my cascading system. And so I share with you a little bit about how that works in my Writerpreneur book, and what you do is you basically publish these. Now, we're looking at fiction books, by the way. We're not looking at nonfiction. Nonfiction makes no money, but fiction makes a ton of money. In fact, you could technically spy on these authors, these publishers that are making tons of money by getting a really awesome low budget one-time fee software that you could basically use to basically figure out exactly what these authors are making. And so I shared that with you. Down below, I will give you the link to get this software, and you could basically spy on these, bestsellers. So, step number 1 is you want to go use my forward link. It's kdbestseller.com. So you use kdbestseller.com. I think it's kdbestsellers, plural.com. And it will drive you directly to the top 100 paid Amazon Kindle bestsellers right now. And then step 2, you click on the little dude in the upper right-hand corner once you install the software to literally spy on what some of these authors are making. And it would be mind-blowing to you once you figure this out. Because when you take a look at the top, say top 20 of the bestsellers on Kindle right now, most of them are going to be fiction. And most of them are going to be self-published authors, just like you and me. They're not going through Simon & Schuster. They don't have to have an agent to do any of this. They're making, in some cases, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month publishing these simple fiction books. And so I actually share that with you in a report that I want to send to you with this book. You can get this report. It looks like this. And it actually shares, real case studies of students that have worked with us and their successes and how much they're actually making and the types of books that they're publishing. You would be shocked and amazed to find out the very simple, easy to create books that they're publishing that are literally flying off the shelves like hotcakes, okay? So you will get this report with your book, all right? And again, I'm sending all this to you for free. So listen. You're thinking, okay, well, Monica, I don't know if I want to be a publisher. That seems like it's, an exhausting endeavor. It seems like it's highly competitive. Well, most of you don't know that it's not as competitive as you think, because most people will publish one book, they realize how hard it is, and they're gone. Or they'll publish, like, say, 3 books, and then they're gone. If you understand how to use the cascading AI process or system that I teach, you can pump out a book every 2 to 4 weeks. Easy, which is the schedule you need to be on if you're going to make tons of money as an Amazon publisher. But maybe you're not ready for that. So let's go to the second option and how you can make money kind of in the same realm, but you can make money as a freelancer. So there are a lot of people that are interested in publishing on Amazon. They don't know about the cascading AI system or process to kick out books quickly. And they are looking for something called ghostwriters. And they will pay ghostwriters between $1,000 and $5,000 per book, depending on how short and how long it is, to create these fiction books for them, so they don't have to worry about creating the books. A lot of these people don't understand how to use AI, or maybe they do know how to use AI, but they just don't, it's overwhelming. They just want the finished product, or, maybe they just want somebody who knows how to create something that is going to sell like hotcakes to different, readers that are built into the Amazon publishing platform, that are already built-in readers that Amazon provides to you in their marketplace. So a lot of these, publishers are looking for really good ghostwriters, not just run-of-the-mill ones that just use ChatGPT. They are looking for people that can create some amazing pieces of work that they could sell as their own under their own pen name. So I could teach you how to do that as well, where you can make between $1,000 and $5,000, in some cases more money than that, as a freelance ghostwriter. So that's option 2. And again, I do talk about that in this book and how it works exactly. Now let's go to the third option. The third option is how to be a copywriter. Kind of deviates off into left field, but it is something that's just as profitable. Now you're probably thinking, well, Monica, a lot of these business owners and entrepreneurs, they're going to want to use ChatGPT to create copy for their websites. No, they're not, because ChatGPT doesn't create good copy. There are other software programs out there that are specifically copywriting based, but even then, they're lacking in some degree. And a lot of business entrepreneurs and people that need copy for their funnel, copy for direct mail marketing pieces, for reports, for even video sales letters, they don't even know how to use these software programs effectively without it sounding canned, without it sounding like a robot actually wrote the piece. So they are looking for copywriters for all kinds of different copy. Now, here's the thing about copywriting, though, that you need to understand, and that is this. It's not just about spitting out a bunch of copy. It's about laying the copy out, especially if you're going to specialize in doing copy for direct mail marketing sales pieces, for example, or magazine ads and newspapers. These entrepreneurs that are hiring copywriters to be able to get them the copy that they need for their ads, for example, they're looking for the layout. They're looking for the pictures to be in a certain place. They're looking for, the columns to be a certain way. They're looking for specific kinds of fonts. They're looking for a triple headline, which is a smaller headline at the top, the big headline in the middle, and then a smaller but longer headline after that. They're looking for the layout. They want a layout that actually looks like a professional ad. They're not just looking for a series of words, which basically anybody with any kind of AI platform can churn out these days. They're looking for the layout. So if you ever want to be a profitable copywriter who wants to specialize in direct mail marketing or other offline marketing, like, for example, magazine and newspaper ads, which, by the way, people still use, you could literally make a killing as a copywriter in that realm. And that's also something I talk about in this free book. And I will also include a free report about how that works as well. So you'll get that in your package. And finally, one other thing that I want to mention, going back to like option 1, is if you did want to, in fact, become an Amazon publisher yourself for the most money out of the 3 options I just presented, I will offer this to you as well. This is my free flowchart, which will also be in your package as well. So you'll be getting a lot of stuff for, like, I think it's like $10 or $9.95 or something like that. You'll be getting a ton of stuff in your, what I call my LWD kit, which is my Living the Writer's Dream kit, which includes your Writerpreneur book with your Ernest Hemingway bookmark with the secret website on the back. I'm not going to share with you what that is, but it's pretty powerful and pretty life-changing when you go to that link. So you'll get this. You'll get your Amazon Fiction Publishing flowchart as a self-published author and writer, if you want to be a writer. If you just want to be a publisher, that's fine, because it is a business model. And then I will give you these 2 reports. One about exactly how to make money, a ton of money on copywriting, for copywriting assignments as a freelancer, and how to make money. You can either make money as an Amazon publisher, or you can make money as an Amazon ghostwriter for different publishers that want ghostwriters to write their stuff for them. So you will get this whole kit for a ridiculous sum of money. It's like super low budget. Like, I can guarantee you the last time you went to Starbucks, you spent more money than this. So you can go ahead and go down below and get it, but this is a limited time offer. I don't even have a lot of these books. I actually am running out right now, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to reprint these or not. I probably will, but I don't have a lot left. And so if you want this now is the time to get it. I know a lot of you were trying to get this, but there was something wrong with my website. So I fixed it. The website is fixed, so now you can actually get the Writerpreneur and all of these bonuses, all right? So hopefully you get it, because if you're looking for some different kind of way to make money and you're not sure what makes money, but you're looking for something that's really cutting edge and something that not a lot of people are doing right now, then this is definitely something that you want to get. So hopefully you get the book, and once you get it, I will make sure that it's sent out to you right away. This is Monica Main signing off, and I will see you in the next video.